Everyone, my name is Nicole and welcome to my channel, Bouquets by Nicole. Today we're going to do another DIY brooch bouquet tutorial. For this project I'm using the Deluxe Roses 003. I'm going to be using white and royal blue. I think those color combinations are going to be beautiful. I have my ribbon for my leaves and the skinny ribbon to wrap the holder. And all of this is included in Kit Mimi. It's called Mimi because I'm making this for Mimi. Hey, Mimi. Okay, so that's the ribbon. The kit will also include the styrofoam ball and the wooden holder that goes into the styrofoam ball. I did that already because it takes a couple of minutes for the glue to really dry into the styrofoam, and I didn't want to, delay the video for that. So I did that ahead of time. So the styrofoam ball and the wooden holder, and then I have my bling bling. These brooches are gorgeous. I know you guys, Nicole, everything is gorgeous to you. You know I love doing bouquets, brooch bouquets. So hey, so these are the brooches I'm going to be using. Now, this bouquet is going to feature pearls, but I don't know if I want to use these because these are some pretty big pearls, and the bouquet is going to be about a 7 to 8 inch in size. If this was going to be like a 10-inch bouquet, I would use these pearls because, they're nice and big. But I think I might use these because they're a little bit smaller, and, you want to keep everything in proportion. So I don't know. We'll put these here. We'll see how that works out. Okay, so let's get started. First step is to apply ribbon to the base of your styrofoam, and you guys know why I do that. That is to hide the styrofoam just in case you have any gaps at the bottom. You want to hide those with the ribbon. So if there is a gap, the only thing that's going to be visible will be this beautiful white satin ribbon. Again, this is Kit Mimi, which is available for sale at Bouquets by Nicole. And right now we're featuring free shipping on the, on everything on the website. So if you guys want to place your order, take advantage of the free shipping deal because shipping can add up sometimes. So you can use that as a discount. You get free shipping on your flowers, on your bouquets, your supplies, your DIY supplies. And we do have the wholesale section open up now for business owners who want to take advantage of the discounts. The discounts available for the wholesale items. We have our wholesale section open. Okay, so I have my ribbon on my styrofoam ball. And, oh, I forgot to tell you, you do need a glue gun and some glue sticks and a pair of scissors for this project as well. So let's just start putting the roses onto the styrofoam ball. Now these are the roses that are sold on the website. They do have the felt on the bottom. These don't. They have this on the bottom for easy application. These don't because, I'm using this. I'm not selling these roses. I'm using it myself, so I don't have the felt on there. But they're usually on there. They are always on there, so don't worry about that. So I'm just going to put in the white and then go in with my royal blue. This is going to be pretty because the colors, that royal blue is going to pop with this white. See? That's going to be really nice. This is an emergency bouquet, so I got to get this in the mail today. They're on the big side. They're usually 2 inches in width. That's the large size. The smaller size is the 1.5 inch. And we do have those options available on the website. So if you want the larger roses, you would select the 2-inch large. And if you want, the smaller ones, you would select the 1.5 inch. always asking me, Nicole, show us how to make the roses. Guys, I don't make these roses. I don't have the time to make these roses. Because I'm making bouquets, I really don't. Do you know how long it would take me to make the roses for this bouquet? Probably a whole day. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I have someone who makes them for me. Okay, so let's finish decorating this bouquet. My camera had shut down on me. Battery died. Okay, so let's just put these brooches on. Like that. Okay, so now you see I have mostly rhinestone. Oh, that's why I don't put my brooches on while I'm recording. It's so wrong. Oh my God. Oh, Nicole, what are you doing? Just made a mess. I had to do that, guys, because the brooch was going in its own direction. All right, easily fixed. Okay. Okay. So we have that there. So I'm just trying to fill in the line because you see it's just one straight line there. So I'm just going to go in with some smaller brooches to fill in the line. And then in between the brooches, I think I'm going to add some pearls or something. So we'll put this one right in here just to fatten up the brooches. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, so you guys see why I don't glue my brooches while I'm recording, right? This is the last time I'm doing that. I'll never do this again. It made it a lot more complicated than it has to be. So just put the brooch in there. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. Yes! That looks good there. I'll put it right here. Yes. Gorgeous. Get it as close as I can. So I won't have a gap in there. Okay, so now I decided to use some of these little, I love these brooches as accents. Let me show you. They're sold in packs of 12 on the website. These are a lifesaver. They add so much, of a pop to the bouquets. Oh, you can use these even by themselves, but what I'm going to do with these is just, to fill in some of the gaps. Like right here. You see that'll be a gap right in here. So I'm going to use this to fill this in. Put it right in there, like that. Okay, and then I'll use my little pearl flower. These are just accent pieces. You should always buy a few small accent pieces, when you're doing your bouquets, just to fill in gaps. Now for the kit, I am going to include some of these because I think it's nice. Just adding a nice touch to, I don't know if this needs anything here in the front. Okay, so I think that's good. Maybe right here. Yeah, right in there. Could use something. I just wanted to have like a clustered look going down the middle. That's like a signature look on a lot of my bouquets too. Brooches going straight down the middle. Okay. So we'll put that there. All right. So now, I want you flat. So now I have to add the pearls. Now these are the pins I was thinking of using. They might be okay. Let's see. Yeah, that's okay. I thought they were going to be too big, but they look okay. Besides, they're easier than trying to glue those pearls on there. I don't like doing that. But sometimes you got to do what you don't like to do. Yeah, that's cute. So I'm just going to cut a few of these down because they're too long for the styrofoam. Be careful when you're cutting these things because they do fly. You don't want to pop yourself in the eye. Or like we see in the islands. You don't want to jick yourself. Okay. So I gotta just wherever, there's like a gap in between the roses, you can insert your pearls. Whew! I love this. This is really coming along well. And this bouquet is done. This emergency bouquet is done. Emergency taken care of. Woo woo! Let's put some glue right there. Keep this flower down. Alright, so that's how that's going to look. I'm just going to go around, put the rest of my pearls in, and then get this in the mail so that it'll make it to the wedding on time. And clean it up. Okay, guys, so there you have it. This is Mimi. Mimi is going to come with her brooches, her pearl pins. I've decided to use the pearl pins for this. It's going to come with the pearl pins, the ribbon, and everything you need to create this bouquet. It's small because she wanted a small bouquet, so this isn't the usual styrofoam ball that I use. I usually use the 5.5 flat styrofoam ball. This one was a little bit smaller and I had to cut it down some too. So okay, I think that's enough. We'll put one more. No, that's good. All right. So there you have it. And sometimes when my brooches are like, you see how the flower is just popping up like that, I'll usually just take a straight pin and stick it down if I want it to be, flatter. I'll just put a pin inside the brooch. Because sometimes these flowers, they just have a life of their own. Yeah, I want that brooch to be a little bit flatter. So, yeah, like that. So there you have it. So I'll go around, clean it up. But this is Mimi. All right, I'll have some pictures at the end to show you guys what the final bouquet looks like. I'm going to put some rhinestone. Let me do that. Just put, just decorate the bottom a little bit. Put some rhinestones on here. Little bit of glue. Don't use a lot of glue down here because you only need a little bit to hold this rhinestone trim. Get it straight. Take it around. And there you have it. Alright. So there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you visit us at bouquetsbynicole.com. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber to be updated when I post new videos. I have some good stuff coming up for you guys. And take advantage of the free shipping on the website, okay? Until we meet again, you be blessed. Bye-bye.